the big update where the BJP is hitting back and saying the Congress cannot deny the role of Veer Savarkar. So that is a big update we're getting for our viewers. After Congress questioned Prime Minister over the Savarkar College route, the BJP has now hit back, saying that Veer Savarkar was put in jail and Congress did not even bother to take an initiative for their own leaders. And if I can go back to my colleague, I'll go back to Harsha in a short while from now, but let's go play out the reactions first.
डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंह जी आदरणीय हैं, परंतु वीर सावरकर जी का रोल हम बिल्कुल नहीं कर सकते। हम उनको ये कहकर नहीं कर सकते डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंह वर्सेस वीर सावरकर। वीर सावरकर जी उन लोगों में से जिनको आजादी की लड़ाई के दौरान में 2 बार जीवन कारावास हुआ था और ऐसे लोगों में से थे जिन्होंने अंडमान निकोबार में सजा काटी है। तो इसलिए वह अपनी जगह है। मनमोहन सिंह जी को लेकर कुछ और दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी सोच सकती है या सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटी सोच सकती है, और कई जगहों पर तो इनकी राज्य की सरकार है, इनकी राज्य की सरकारों में कुछ इनिशिएटिव अपने नेताओं को लेकर करनी चाहिए।
All right, let's go back to Harsha. Harsha, if you could take our viewers through latest coming in, this is coming just as Prime Minister Modi will be laying foundation stones for 2 new Delhi University campuses, along with a college named after Veer Savarkar, and the Congress is not very happy with that. A big showdown has once again erupted. And we saw this, Harsha, once again. We saw it during the Parliament winter session, how we saw that there was a huge row over Veer Savarkar, over Ambedkar, and this time, once again, the legacy of Veer Savarkar is being questioned by the Congress. The BJP has reacted.
Yes, Shivangi, if you remember that the Congress never respected Veer Savarkar. Congress always insulted Veer Savarkar. In fact, the due to Veer Savarkar, which was supposed to be given him as the freedom fighter of the country, was never given. And BJP has always been stating that he was a Hindutva face and he was the one who fought for the country against the Britishers. He was the one who raised the voice for the Hindus in the country when there was the situation, when there was turmoil, when Britishers were everywhere there. He is the freedom fighter who never got its due, and that is the reason why BJP has always been raising up the issue of the Veer Savarkar, and how Congress have now and again have always been insulting Veer Savarkar. Shivangi, we have always seen inside Parliament, outside Parliament, Congress have always disrespected Veer Savarkar, and that is the reason why BJP ahead of the Delhi Assembly polls have decided this to be a very important part of their campaign as well, because Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be laying the foundation stone, and the name of the due campus will be after Veer Savarkar. In fact, the south and west, 2 other campuses as well will be inaugurated in some time, in the span of 1.5 years. This VD Savarkar College will be completed, and it is a state-of-art facilities, will immense high-tech classrooms, infrastructure, conference rooms, canteens, and other facilities as well. And how this entire thing is being taken up before Delhi Assembly election, that's very interesting to watch, and that is the reason why now Congress is hitting at the BJP for legitimizing and also giving the legacy of Veer Savarkar in the form of the naming of the DU college after him, and that is the reason the massive backlash is being received from the side of Congress to the BJP. But BJP has clearly stated that Veer Savarkar is one of the freedom fighters who is also not only the Hindutva icon but the one who has always stood for the Hindus, and that is the reason his due, which Congress never give, will be given by BJP. However, if we talk about late Manmohan Singh, 2 sthals are already been selected for making it a smarak to that place, but that's not going to be the situation where DU College will be named after Manmohan Singh. That's very crystal clear, has been said by the side of the BJP. Back to you.
All right, thank you for joining us, Harsha. We will be coming back to you because once again we see a big row over Veer Savarkar's legacy, and we can expect many more reactions throughout the day as more updates are expected. We have to move ahead.